Good morning, good morning, good morning! It's Sir Jesse and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today, wala mo ng travel vlog, but then magkakaroon po tayo ng tutorial on how to stream a pre-recorded video live on Facebook. Gusto mo yan? Gusto ko yan! Gusto mo yan? Gusto mo yan? Gusto mo yan? Gusto ko yan! Kasi marami na nagre-request na they need tutorial on how to stream their videos through the use of their Facebook. So ngayon, gagawin na natin. So, what are you waiting for? Join me in learning and exploring this tutorial video. Let's go!
A few moments later.
To start with, you need to go to your browser. So click Google Chrome and you need to type OneStream Live. Upon clicking it, click this link and then it will link you to its official platform. So ito po yung platform ng OneStream Live and you need to sign up. Since it is free, you need to click sign up free. Okay, and then it will appear like this. Let's just wait. Medyo mahina ang connection. So ayan, since I already logged in my Google account, so I need to click this and click the logo of Google para automatic maka-register ka sa OneStream. So ayan, you are now registered with OneStream Live. So ito po yung platform ng OneStream Live and there are lots of social accounts like Facebook page, group, profile, YouTube, and others. All you need to do is to explore this page. Marami kayong makikitang mga social accounts, and then in left side there are lots of tabs like dashboards, account, videos, and others. All you need to do also is to explore it para mas mahasa nyo yung mga other tabs dito. So in the upper right, there are different tabs like notification, schedule streams, ongoing live streams, and upgrade. And let's proceed now to this tab, which is the FB page. You need to click this and it will appear like this. You need to link your FB page, continue as your name, then click your FB page and click next and click done. Then let's wait. Ayan, you're now linked OneStream to Facebook. Click OK. And the next step is, let's wait. You need to click your account. So click again the tab FB page, your FB page, and connect to OneStream. And social account connected successfully. Congratulations! So let's proceed now by clicking the account tab in the left side. Click accounts and your FB page. And then it will appear like this. All you need to do is to click the upload or record in order for you to upload your video. So click upload my device and you need to browse your video. Then sa akin, I need to click my video yung papunta namin sa board. Then you need to open it and click upload one file. And then all you need to do is to wait until matapos or makomplete yung pag-upload in 100%. Okay? Ayan, tumatakbo na siya. Kapag mahina ang internet connections, medyo slow ang uploading. But then kapag high naman ang good or stable naman ang connection ng inyong internet connections, so madali lang siya ma-upload yung video mo sa one stream. So ayan, malapit na siya mag-upload into 100%. Let's just wait na ma-upload na talaga siya. So, malapit na. So ayan, it's 100% uploaded na sa one stream. So, complete. And ipaprocess na siya. So, ayan. Andyan na yung video mo. All you need to do is to edit the title. So, ito yung sa akin. So, I need to edit it. Exploring Boreas Island in Malingkat Beach Resort at Clan Sarangani Province. So, medyo i-edit mo lang siya. Afterwards is you need to change the thumbnail. Since ready naman yung thumbnail ko, so i-click mo lang to siya na button and then search for the picture for the official thumbnail of your video. So ito, open and then i-upload na siya. Uploaded. So ayan, meron siyang thumbnail. So ngayon, you're going to set the date and the time kung kailan mo siya i-stream on Facebook. So sa akin is March 30, today, 2021 at exactly 12 noon. So i-change nyo lang siya sa gusto nyo na time. Set. So there you go. Already set the day and the time. So after that, you need to click schedule. Tanan! Stream schedule successful. So ayan, 1 minute na lang para mag-12. So there are 57, 56 seconds. So, let's wait until maubos, until mag-12 noon na siya para mag-live stream na siya sa ating FB page. So, let's just wait for a while. Six, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 10! So, go now to your FB page and let's see kung mag-appear na siya sa ating FB page. There you go. Let's wait. Let's refresh our FB page and mag-appear na siya sa ating FB page. Madali lang, di ba? Refresh mo lang ulit kapag wala ka. So, sorry, medyo mahina yung connection. So, ayan! Live na siya sa ating FB page na Jessie Jan's Vlog. So, sa mga hindi pa nag-like sa FB page ko, please visit my FB page. All you need to do is to search Jessie Jan's Vlog and then ito na.
Gusto mo yun? Gusto mo yun!
So ayan! Live na po siya sa ating FB page. Success! 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 Gusto mo yun! Gusto ko yun! Gusto mo yun! Gusto ko yun! Success siya! So ayan, successful po ang ating tutorial on how to stream a pre-recorded video live on Facebook. So, sana marami kayong natutunan for this tutorial video and please comment down below kung ano pa yung mga tutorial videos na gusto nyo pang gawin natin. So, that's the end of my vlog today and please don't forget to like, subscribe and click the notification bell para updated ka sa aking upcoming videos. So once again, this is Sir Jesse and see you on my next vlog. Bye-bye!